Hello guys, I'm Yasir, and today in this tutorial we will learn that how to calculate the volume of a given annulus, or you can say that how to calculate annular volume of a given annulus. In our previous tutorial number 134 we have already discussed in detail and understood the concept of annulus, that what is annulus and why it is important. Now we'll see that how to calculate the volume of any given annulus. So to understand this calculation, let's see this diagram. Here we have an example. So with this example we will understand that how to calculate the annulus volume. So here in this diagram we have drawn an annulus, that is we have drawn an outer pipe and an inner pipe. The ID of the outer pipe, as you can see, is 6 inch and the OD of the inner pipe is 4 inch and the length of the pipe or the length of the annulus is 1000 feet. So now we'll calculate the annular volume. So to calculate the annular volume, first we need to calculate annular capacity. Okay, the formula of annular capacity is ID square of outer pipe minus OD square of inner pipe divided by 1029.4. So this is the formula of annular capacity. But before we just proceed our calculation, let's define that what is annular capacity. So if we define annular capacity, it is the volume of fluid in the annulus occupied by 1 feet. That is, the volume of 1 feet of annulus is called annular capacity. That is, inside the annulus, if we take the 1 feet height and the volume which is coming inside the annulus equal to 1 feet length, that volume is called actually annular capacity. So of course, once we calculate the annular capacity, that is how much volume is coming in 1 feet, and then we multiply with the total length, we will get annular volume. So to calculate annular volume, first we need to calculate annular capacity, and the formula of annular capacity I have already shown here, that is ID square of outer pipe minus OD square of inner pipe divided by 1029.4. So once we'll put the values in this formula, so the answer which will be coming, that will be annular capacity. The one point to remember while using this formula is that this OD and ID should be in inches. If you have the readings in some other units, first you have to convert it into inches. Okay, so now we'll put the values in this formula and we'll calculate the annular capacity. So ID of the outer pipe is 6 inch, so we will take 6 square minus OD of inner pipe. Inner pipe OD is 4 inch, so we'll put 4 square of 4 divided by 1029.4, and if we take the square of this 6, it will come 36, then square of 4 is 16 divided by 1029.4. 36 minus 20, 36 minus 16 come 20, 20 divided by 1029.4. So once we divide this 20 with 1029.4, we get 0.0194 barrel per feet. Okay, so this barrel per feet is basically annular capacity, as I already defined that fluid volume in the annulus inside 1 feet length is annular capacity, that is barrel per foot in the annulus. Now we'll just multiply this annular capacity with the total length and we'll get the annular volume. So here you can see annular volume is equal to annular capacity multiplied by length. Annular capacity is 0.0194 multiplied by the length, and the length is 1000 feet. So we'll just multiply this one, we will get 19.4. So So this 19.4 barrel is the volume of this annulus. So that was a basic understanding about how to calculate annular volume. I hope that you got understanding. So thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.